Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is application. Application in Salesforce. Salesforce application is a logical container for all objects, tabs, process and services associated with a given business function. These are of two types, standard application and custom application. Application created by Salesforce are called standard app. Standard app cannot be deleted, they can be modified. For example, sales, service, marketing, and so on. Custom application. Application created by the user as per business requirement, that is custom application. Custom app can be modified or deleted as per business requirement. For example, employee management system underscore C. What is this? This is the difference between standard application and custom application. If a custom application is there, that is denoted by or appended with underscore C. In the standard application, we are not finding this underscore C. It consists of a label, a description, and an ordered list of items, which often includes tabs. We can also add custom logo for branding the app. So, steps to create custom app. First, we have to click on setup gear icon, platform tools, app, app manager, new lightning app. Then step 1, provide app details and branding logo. Step 2, select app options as per the need. Step 3, add utility bar items. Step 4, select navigation items. Step 5, select user profile to which apps should be visible. Step 6, save and finish. This is the process. By doing this, we could create a custom application in Salesforce. Note, user can create custom application whose allow access to customized actions is enabled in profile level. So by default it is enable, but in the real time environment when we are doing our task, maybe sometimes this checkbox is not checked. So if someone is not able to create custom application, once he or she needs to verify this allow access to customized actions is checked or not. Custom app example. So we are going to create an application by the name EMS, Employee Management System. Let's do the practical for this. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to provide username, password and hit the login button. By default, we are going to redirect on Lightning Experience platform page. So at the right side, we are seeing the setup button, this setup gear icon. We need to click on this, click setup. As per our PPT, below down platform tools, then apps, then app manager, Lightning Experience App Manager. Here button is new lightning app. These all the apps what we are seeing right now, these are all standard apps except this one IMS we are seeing here, classic, and also created by us, that is it's a custom application. Apart from this, we are seeing all these apps that is created by Salesforce. So just hit the new lightning app button. So step first, provide the app details and branding. Here app name I am providing EMS. Developer name by default it's taking by hitting the tab button in the keyboard. Description, in the real time just provide the proper description. Here I am providing only full form of this EMS. Employee management system. At the right side we are seeing app branding, image. We can upload image from here. Click on upload button. It is asking for the location where the image is available. Click on this particular image. Click on open. It is uploading. So it's uploaded and coming over here. EMS app launcher preview. It looks like this. If someone wants to change the image, just click on clear button. Again it is asking for upload. Provide the second image or second logo. Next, step 2, click on next button. Select app options as per our need. So navigation style will be standard navigation, or we are going with standard navigation. Supported from factors desktop and phone. If someone needs with only phone, click on this radio button. Only desktop, click on this radio button. Otherwise go for both. Setup, full setup for setup options. So just go with this one only. Click on next button. Utility item. So utility item is what we are seeing at our page in the below side. This icon, this is utility items. So for now we are going with default. Next, select navigation item. Here navigation item means choose the items to include in the app and arrange the order in which they appear. Navigation items means all the available items we can add from here. These are most probably standard ones. If we had created earlier our custom one, that is also coming over here, but I am going to add only home item. So look for home, just click on this, it's getting selected. Click on add. So in the selected items only home is there. If someone needs some more items, they can add from here. So how we are going to add, just click on content. Let's see, contract, add, coupons, add. And if someone wants this coupon at the top, then while selecting this one, click on up button. So it is coming at the top. If I need this one at the top, just select and click on up button. Again, if I want to remove these items, just select these all items, click on remove button. So like this we are doing. Again click on next button. So select the user profile to which apps should be visible. So here at the left side we are seeing all the available profiles. So so for practice we are going to add system administrator, standard user, hold the control button also, then you can select, and standard platform user. Click on add button. At the right side we are seeing in the selected profiles these three profiles are coming. Step 6, finally hit the save and finish button. Our application is created. This is the custom application. App name is EMS. Developer name is EMS. Description is employee management system, what we had given, and the date time, and it's in lightning view. So how to see this employee management system application? So at the tab panel, click on this app launcher. Directly we can search EMS, or if we forgot the name for a particular application and that we want to open, so at that situation click on view all. Just from here look for your app and click open. So from here we are clicking the employee management system application. So this is available over here, employee management system, branding logo, this is the name, and we had chosen home tab. And for the profiles, three profiles it is available: standard platform user, standard user, and system administrator. Apart from these profiles, a user cannot see this employee management system application. This thing we see in further sessions, how someone is seeing the particular application and someone is not able to see the particular application. This will see in the further sessions. So also let's see in the note, user can create custom application whose allow access to customize action is enabled in the profile label. So to see the profile label for this particular user, just click on again setup, click on setup. So in the administration user, click on this particular user. So it's easy to understand. So I had logged in with this user only, network salesforce, and this user is holding the profile of system administrator. Just click on this and just find allow access to customized actions. This checkbox is checked already. So in this situation we are able to create the custom application. If so this we had mentioned in the note point. So again, coming back to our employee management system custom application. So this assignment is done. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.